Take a ride in the 2009 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power sunroof, power driver's seat, keyless entry, stability control, heated seats, alloy wheels, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.